After the psychodynamic therapy, next we have behavior therapy, which is on page number 97. According to behavior therapists, psychological disorders arise because of faulty behavior patterns or thought patterns. So when we have maladaptive or unacceptable behaviors and thought patterns, then we have the chances of developing psychological disorders. Therefore, behavior therapy focuses on the behaviors and thoughts of the client in the present. So remember that the behavior therapist emphasizes on the present behaviors and thoughts. There is no emphasis on the past. The past is relevant only to the extent of understanding the origins of faulty behaviors and thoughts. So unlike the psychodynamic therapy, here in behavior therapy, they do not emphasize on the past. In psychodynamic therapy, a large part of it is emphasizing on the past, or it focuses on what happened during childhood or what is there in the unconscious. But the behavior therapist emphasizes only on the present, and they rely on the past only to find out how those behaviors and thoughts started to exist or how did they originate. There are many techniques and interventions within behavior therapy, and depending on what the disorder is, depending on the severity of it, various techniques and interventions are chosen and applied on the client. Behavior therapy is especially used for the treatment of phobias and obsessive compulsive disorders. The main aim of behavior therapists is to find out faulty behaviors and thoughts. So when a client goes to a psychologist who practices behavior therapy, the therapist will first try to recognize or point out all those behaviors and thoughts that are unhealthy or faulty. And then the therapist will try to replace those behaviors and thoughts by adaptive ones, healthy ones. And then the therapist will reinforce the client so that the client continues to engage in those behaviors and thoughts which are healthy and adaptive.